Even you will be a bar. I'll be a bar, man, on a one million. I think I'm the one I am fair. Now, I can no leave. Where's the Cambia while I am fair? Whatever, episode, man. I couldn't even know. Eba guys, a car, more when you ever faganano. Oh, well, on your well, yeah, a private developer. Can I have a company? Can I have a company? Now, we back. Can I have a there? On an even quiver. Even now, look at that. Even now, job, even now, job with that. Because all them are going to even there. In case and many people have a rescue government, one of them hospital, or for them were injury and so on. We are hoping now for them they can be trapped here. We're now deploying more excavators. A large number of them will be flooding in here now. I get to the OSC okay, yeah. So how can you put them in? Madam Black. Madam Black, when I and I have ordered every excavator I got from Anambra must be here within minutes now. Our one commissioner for works, any excavator around Anambra, not people. The rescue mission, when they trapped, by the grace of God, we'll get to them before the end of today. First thing Bugodo, I rescue on the Noeba. Opia? Rescue over. I know the workers of the developer, that his own workers were, even those doing night shift and so on and so forth, were the ones trapped here. This is tragic. It's tragic. But there are a few things I will tell you, because it's become evident that this is part of the impunity that is going on all over. It's happening all over the country, but also all over the state. And the kind of thing we are determined to stop. People having buildings without approved building plan. There's somebody in a mobile building now where with no approved building plan. How? Anyway, I was asking for the builder, the developer, but I understand he's not around. Because I wanted him to stand here and